We pioneered customizable surf in 2010. Since then, we've spent over a decade perfecting it. We call it SurfStar, and it's the most dialed surf system ever built. SurfStar gives you clean, consistent, customizable waves fast. More control, more confidence, more personalization. Options for mellow and beginner-friendly, options for steep and powerful. All possible with just a few taps. Rapid Surf gets you up and riding with the touch of a button, using factory-loaded presets automatically tuned to create a perfect wave every time. Want to fine-tune? Head into Custom Surf. There you control every variable. Adjust speed, ballast, and surf device position, then save your setup to run it again and again. But great software means nothing if it's not great to use. So we designed the interface to be faster, more intuitive, and easier to navigate, with clean visuals and simplified menus. Control it all from the high-res touchscreen, or make quick adjustments to speed and surf settings using the MasterCraft MyDrive rotary dial and integrated hotkeys. And it's not just smart software, it's built on better hardware. At the core of SurfStar is a position-sensing actuator system that measures exact tab deployment, ensuring your wave is dialed with accuracy every single time. You get repeatable, reliable waves even if the weight on board shifts, the water conditions change, or the rider switches out. Every model also includes factory-loaded foil presets, giving riders even more options behind the boat. And on XT, X, and X-Star models, a countdown display streamlines transfers by counting the rider down before switching sides. From hull design to software logic, every element of SurfStar is tuned to each boat's unique characteristics. No one-size-fits-all template, just perfectly built waves tailored to you. You get more control, more confidence, and more time doing what you came for. This is SurfStar. Thousands of wave variations, one system that does it all. Only from MasterCraft.